Hi, I'm Vanita Vance, and I'm the AP Biology teacher here at College Station High School. I'm very happy to have your student in class, whether it's in person here at College Station High or whether he or she is a virtual student. I'm glad to be able to work with them and help them learn a lot about our living world and prepare them to take the AP Biology exam in May. Let's go on in the classroom now. If you were able to be with us in person, this is the room that you would be in. This is my classroom. We have plenty of room to work and move around. Right now the students are pretty much socially distanced. The classes are relatively small compared to what they normally are. When we're able to all be back together again, hopefully soon, we'll have pretty crowded classes because there will be probably about 33 or 34 students per class period because we have that many students taking AP Biology this year. A little bit about me. I graduated from the University of Texas at Austin with a degree in biology. And I'm married to Bill Vance, who is a retired lawyer and judge here in town. We're the parents of Austin and Caroline Vance, both of whom graduated from Consol back earlier this century. We've lived in College Station since 1980, so we have seen a lot of changes in College Station over the past 40 years. It's really remarkable how much it has changed in that period of time. I've taught in College Station schools off and on since 1984, having taught at College Station Junior High, which later became College Station Middle School. And then I stayed home with my children when they were small, and then subbed for a few years and came back full-time to the classroom in 2002 at Consol. I was at Consol until 2012 when we opened College Station High School, and I'm more than happy to be here at CSHS and teaching the course that I love so much. We're very fortunate this year to have a student teacher. Her name is Katie Sabotis. Katie is originally from Herscher, Illinois, which is a small town south of Chicago. She graduated in May from Texas A&M with a degree in biology. She also works part-time at TJ Maxx and formerly worked at the A&M Visitor Center giving tours to prospective students. She hopes to stay in Texas to teach school after she finishes her student teaching, and we hope she does too. She's been a remarkable asset already this school year. I don't think I could have made it through the first few weeks of school, teaching both virtually and in person without having Katie here to help me. She's been invaluable, and I know she will continue to be an asset wherever she ends up teaching. In AP Biology, we have a prescribed curriculum from the College Board that we follow. The order the units are set for College Board. We can do things in a different order if we choose. I happen to like the order in which we teach things, in which they have the units set out, and so we go by the AP curriculum. We spend a lot of time learning about cell structure and function and cellular energetics and cell communication and various topics like that about cells. We spend some time learning about both classical Mendelian genetics and current day genetic engineering and gene expression and regulation, some of the more modern things that we didn't even think about when I was in high school many long years ago. We'll spend some time talking about natural selection and about ecology and how we fit into the natural world. All the while we'll be preparing for the AP exam, which is in May, and we'll also end up the year with a project and some learning about bioethics, a very important topic in our world today. As far as grades go, this is an AP course, so the academic achievement grades are worth 80% of the 6 weeks average. This includes unit tests, which in this class are weighted 3 times, and lab reports or projects. The lab reports or projects, depending on the lab or the project, will be worth either 1 or 2 academic achievement grades. The rest of the grades, the academic practice grades, are worth 20% of their 6 weeks average, and this includes daily work and other activities. Very often students have an academic practice average of 100 because very often we do a lot of things that are contributing to our learning and understanding without having to do harsh grading on it. One thing that's really important to understand about how AP and pre-AP and honors classes work, and you probably already know this, but I'm going to say it anyway because it's important for us to reiterate this. In order to get that 10-point boost to the grades at the end of the semester, students have to have a semester average of 75 or greater in order to get that boost. Of course, you know probably that the 10-point grade boost is just used for the calculation of grade point average for class rank and is not something that you'll ever see on the report card or on the transcript. So the AP exam, the AP exams are given in May. This year, the AP Biology exam will be on May the 14th. Registration has already begun. Exam fee was $93 last year, or $94, and it probably will be something similar to that this year. I'm not really sure. In order to possibly get college credit, students must make a 3 or above out of 5 to earn that credit. But they can, with biology, get credit for 2 semesters of college biology, which is a really good deal. Texas state colleges and universities are now required to give credit for 3s and above on AP exams. If the student ends up majoring in biology, they may not get credit for the freshman biology that this is supposed to replace, but that they should still get credit that can be applied to their major. Please fill out the Google form that I've attached to the page here in Schoology and let me know that you were here. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions or concerns or comments. I'll be glad to see what you have to say and get back to you as soon as possible. Let me just let you know that if you feel your student is struggling or needs help, please let me know unless I'm not aware of it, just in case things come up sometimes. I'll be glad to do what I can to help them. We do have the opportunity for students to work as tutors to gain some bonus points, which is always beneficial. And it also helps them with their understanding and their ability to apply the knowledge that they've gained in biology when they help the students in the younger classes. They'll work with pre-AP biology and Biology 1 students, as well as some chemistry students and some physics students as well. Thank you so much for coming tonight. I'm sorry we didn't get to meet in person, but it's really nice that you were able to take the time to learn a little bit about what's going on at school. And hopefully we'll get to see each other real soon. Thanks a lot.